Guys, Roxanne here from Tiny Home Living. Well, we just got back from a mad dash to the city and got to get some work done on that greenhouse again today. We had a really hard frost. It was -4 again last night. Not forecasted. But anyway, we're going to get some more work on the greenhouse done today, so hopefully you'll come and join us. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your family and friends. Let's get going. Only a little bit of daylight left. So I put my little clay pot rocket stoves in here last night. The big one and the little one. What is it now? It's pretty chilly out. It's 98 in here. So yeah, the blossoms on the fruit trees are good. The leaves, even the basil didn't get damaged. It gets damaged really easily. So this seems to have worked. It was 44 in here last night when Chris and I got these set up. And when I checked this morning, it was still really cold out, and it was 88 in here. So the sun had come up, but it was very, very cold out. I'm not sure if these will come back or not, but I thought, you know what, I won't throw them out just in case. They need some water, but even this branch on the lime tree has a new blossom coming on it. New lime coming here. So even the blossoms didn't get damaged, and the blossoms on the jalapeno did not get damaged either. So that seems to have worked. These are still going red, this bunch here. So fingers crossed we can keep this going until we get the other greenhouse closed in and then move all of this stuff in there. So this worked. I think I put 8 or 10 tea light candles in the big one, and then I think about 6 in this little one. So this is what I did for a spacer on top to let air out. Yeah, I walked into this, so so then I used the hot wax to glue the loonies on there for the spacer on the bottom. I've dropped I don't know how many loonies and toonies underneath these skids now. And then this one, oh, there goes another one down the hole. Oh my goodness. So I used these double ones here on the side for spacers, and then I had, what, about 10 going in here. But when I came out to check on it and half of these had gone out, it was too hot. Well, the loonies were burning my fingers, the toonies, and the clay pot was already burning my hands. So it did get very, very hot. And when I checked this morning, it was 88 degrees in here. That lemon tree over there in the corner is getting new blossoms too. That's the Meyer lemon. So pretty excited about that. Hopefully we can keep these doing well. Oh my goodness, I might better put these where I'm not gonna knock them down into under the skids again. I can't even see any of the ones I've dropped in there. So we've got 3/8 sheeting to put up there to block that space where the heat will go out. We got spray foam for up there, and we're just gonna make the door for this west end, and then we're gonna put a little bit of spray foam in this oddball corner and up the side here, the gaps. But that will get this pretty much closed in, and then we'll hang the big tarp here for now. And don't forget, I have to skirt in this north side of the greenhouse. We're going to make this sort of like the barn door where we did the X and everything, because it strengthens the door and gives us something more solid to screw the hinges onto and the bolts and everything to close it. to go your way a bit? Okay. I can't push it.
That's good there.
No, it's too high here. Too far this way.
Good.
Well, no, you look at it first.
Yeah.
It seems like the bottom one. Short.
Come this way a bit?
Yep. Oops. Too much.
This way?
Back this way, Nate.
Get there. The top one.
Good. Yeah.
Now,
Come this way. What about the bottom one though, isn't it? Doesn't it have to come this way? Does now, I think.
I don't think you nailed it.
Okay. Oh,
Maybe.
wait.
Okay.
No, there we go. Now, yeah. Oops.
Good.
That one doesn't have to be shaved?
Stick that in there. That's fine.
Let's see, maybe this one.
Yeah, I gotta get it at 2 inches. Marked it on the end,
Okay.
like down on the bottom.
Yeah.
2 inches.
Okay.
And if I right, it should line up with that line that I marked across on the side.
Right. This is just putting some screws in the corners because this is where you usually end up with the problem. So you can see we're not going to do the X, we're just going to do this big V thing on it. And flip it over and do the other side and we've got a door. There's the 3 hinges on. We're going to flip it over now to the other side. I think we better put it down onto the ground. Oh, goodness.
Just flip it over. Just put that on there. Watch it doesn't fall.
No, about my wrist breaking.
Okay, I got it inside. There we go. Not too bad.
Yeah. Now we need to haul this big heavy thing down there to the other end and screw the hinges on. Close that big opening up for the night.
We should be able to table it like we did the windows.
Okay.
Just swing the top out, set it on the blocks right in the hole.
Looks pretty awesome. Now we got to put the stops on and the weather stripping that we bought. So this is the weather stripping we chose because of the size. So they call it camper seal. What does that say? Foam tape. This was 10, no, I think it was 30 feet of this stuff. Where does it say that? 30 feet. So with the dimensions of the door, a lot of the packages weren't big enough. So what Chris did was cut this stop here. We put the foam on that. It's a little bit wider, but that's okay. Bigger that is better. A lot of them were really skinny little pieces. So tomorrow he'll cut a piece to go along there, rip a piece to go along that top for another stop. We'll put the foam on it, and we'll put a piece at the bottom with the foam on it, and that'll seal this door up really well. And then we'll get the handles and the bolts put on it tomorrow too. We'll have the bolt at the top going into this piece of wood, the stop. Can't see my finger there. And at the bottom, because this door will probably warp. So we'll need to, instead of just putting one in the middle, put one at the bottom and the top, I think. But that is a pretty quick, awesome, heavy duty, wide, cheap door. It's a piece of 3/4 plywood. It was seconds, so we got it for a better price. Cut the tongue and the groove off it, and put the wood, the 1x4s on both sides, and they're actual 1x4. And it was heavy to carry all the way down here, but pretty happy with that. That's a pretty awesome looking door, I think. And Chris can get the bucket of the tractor through there, so that will be good, you know, to put the buckets, the big bins and everything in here through the door, and get them all in here, and hopefully in a couple days. But that's it for today. We are whooped. We always find it more exhausting going to the city than actually working. But had to do both today. Had to get that door on. And then tomorrow we will start sealing up the other stuff, like I said. And that way this thing will be pretty airtight. It was a lot warmer in here than it was outside when we got home today, and it was late in the day. So my peppers that I brought in are pretty much toast anyway. I'll just see if the root ball stays and anything comes out of it. But otherwise I'll be starting over from seed. So, but we're done for the day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your family and friends. And we'll see you next time.